President Bongbong Marcos is urging newly elected officials of the League of Provinces of the Philippines to serve with integrity and expose irregularities in government projects. The League of Provinces of the Philippines represents the country's 82 provincial governments. According to the palace, the League aims to promote unity and improve local governance through shared policy initiatives and programs that build institutional capacity. Speaking at the oath-taking ceremony on Wednesday, September 3, Marcos says the nation needs leaders who will put an end to corrupt practices in government.
Nagsimula pa lang ang laban at mahaba pa ang ating tatahakin. Umaasa ako na kasama namin kayo sa bawat hakbang, sa pagsusuri sa mga proyekto, sa pagsasaliwanag sa mga nakakukubli na kadliliman. Kaya't hinihikayat ko kayo, paglingkuran natin ng buong katapatan ng sambayanan. Tiyakin natin nasa wasto ang mga proyekto na ipinapatupad ng pambansang pamahalaan at ng lalawigan, at isiwalat natin kung may makikitang taliwas.
Marcos also calls on fellow public servants to be the voice of the people who placed their trust in their leaders.
Mga kapwang likod bayan, naririto tayo dahil pinagkakatiwalaan tayo ng taong bayan. Huwag po natin silang bibiguin.
President Marcos has ordered his administration to intensify its anti-corruption efforts, particularly in investigating alleged irregularities in the country's flood control projects.